How to accept all follow requests on threads at once. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can accept all of the follow requests at once on the Threads app. But before we get started, make sure to head down below to give this video a quick thumbs up and hit the subscribe button as well. So the first thing that you need to do is open up your app. So once you get to the app, the first thing that you need to know is follow requests are only available to the profiles that are private. So if you have a private profile, only you will get the follow request. But if you don't have a private profile, if your profile is public, then all of the followers will directly be on your follower list once they hit the follow button right beside your profile. So at the bottom, you'll see different tabs like home, search, and then the notification or the activity option. And if you have a private profile, you will find this request tab right here. And if you have any follow request, you can accept individually from here. But if you want to accept all of these at once, then all you need to do is go ahead and tap on your profile, tap on the three lines at the top right and hit on privacy and just turn off your private profile. So doing this will turn off your private profile and everyone on your request list will be added as your followers. And if you want to make your profile private again after that, you can do that by doing this again and you should be good to go. So that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, hit like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.